Alright, well, I'm sure you're asking, why has nobody made a game based off of the Northern Italy Battle of Zappolino from 1325 called The War of the Oaken Bucket? So this game, I suppose, is based off of that legend, which essentially says that a bucket got stolen, and when it wasn't returned, a war broke out. Now, I think it actually had something to do with the castle being stolen, but the point being is that there is some town in Italy to this day that proudly displays this stolen bucket. So, we're going to try to retrieve that. After we fix this V-hold. And let's crank that music. Yeah. Alright. Let's get in here a little. This game actually came out in 2020. It was a part of a 2019 competition that won. I believe it was put on by Pyrophers. But yes, this was made by Aussie Phantom, I believe. Coding done by Daniel Hotep, graphics Robin Levy, music Meebry, and title screen Lobo. And I think this is a Protovision production. I'm not sure how that works, but their logo is certainly on it. Not on the 128 version. Feel a little robbed. Wish they had their cool logo on this 128 here. But yeah, let's take a look, actually. Let's go hard. Your Eminence. Yes? Bad news? Huh? Well, you see, the losers over the way have, stolen our buckets. Not my bucket! Get 'em! Very angry about that bucket. So those clowns found out already. Damn! As if they were going to get it back. Defend the bucket, form a line, hide in the forests, block the mountain pass, advance! Kill every last one of them. Alright, we're in an intense battle for our lives here over this bucket. And we've got a few pieces I'll mention. The first one, and I'd argue the most important, is the Lord. That's this saber-looking icon. And if we hold down our trigger and press right, take a look at some of these stats. So we have 5 altogether. I'll move this while I'm at it. The other being our fighter. And, oh, I'll mention in the title screen it spells this out, where the Lord has high HP, solid accuracy, and low damage. Our fighter here, the sword, decent damage, not very good against shields. Armor, which is our shield, solid defense, good for blocking units. We have our Lancer, which is our spear. It's a 2-ranged weapon, 2 square, and it's a good chance against shields. And finally, our Archer, it's 4 range, weak damage, no defense. So it's the weakest, but you can shoot from 4 shots away. And there's some other things I could probably look at real quick here. The landscape is relevant, where the forests offer greater cover, but they're also tougher to move through. But let's take a close look at this gameplay. See what kind of trouble I can get into. Not an expert, only played this a little bit, but yeah, it's a great strategy game so far. Let's get our fighter fighting this shield. There's some stats. Hit it for 2. Oh, and I dodged! Look at me. I'm getting the shield a little closer. Let me take a closer look at... Take a look at the Lancer here. It's got some strength, not a lot of defense. Okay. Let's move it up a little higher. along with our archer. Keep these out of the way, out of harm's way. I'm down 4, but I got him for 9. Killed him. Hey, got me for 4, got them for 9. Okay. Yeah, evidently they all essentially committed suicide. I am powerful enough that my return tack did him in, but look at this. My lord is very low on health. 2 out of 10. Not good. So what we're going to do is move this guy back towards our castle. Get some healing action in. Let's move down. Shield out front. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Well, I was trying to get health, but he got my lord, and I'm dead. So, kind of like your king in chess, you lose that piece, and it's over. Well, there goes me being awesome for the demo, but, yeah. You get a flavor for things, and this is so far a great strategy game that I've played a few times already. I've beat it at least once, and the maker, I chatted with him a little bit on Lemon64, the forums there, evidently has more plans to expand this thing. This is version 1.3, 1.4 is on the way. Some of the additions, I don't know if it's going to be in 1.4, but somewhere in the future, there's going to be, I don't know if you'd call it extra levels, but once you make it to the other tower, that opens up into a new area. So, I am very much looking forward to seeing where this thing goes. It's free, available for download. I got this at, I believe, csdb.com. And I really recommend it. A lot of fun. I'm stoked that this was made for free, and it's a beautiful, fun game for the Commodore 128 in 2020. It's a weird year, folks, so this is one thing to be thankful about. I think you should try it. Let me know if you do. I'd be curious to hear feedback from others who have played it and what they think. So hit me up and let me know what you think.